Hi, I'm Ralph. Normally I come to you from my kitchen. Instead, I'm coming to you from my library, the spot where my wife normally hangs out while I'm doing the cooking show down below in the kitchen. Today is not how I had planned. I was up till about 3 a.m. last night editing a video that was supposed to be airing today. But about 3 o'clock in the morning, it just went kablooey and beyond repair. I'd have to start all over again. So instead, I'm bringing you this video, which is probably the video I should have brought to you in the first place, because today marks the 1-year anniversary of my posting to YouTube. And it has been a wonderful journey so far. I just want to tell you, I am so humbled by the success that y'all have been giving to me. I know it's very moderate compared to the superstars of YouTube, but to me, an old chubby guy, who would have ever thought people would have watched a show put on by me? And instead, I've got over 8,700 subscribers during that year, 725,000 views. I've got 70 videos online right now, and I've got some of the best subscribers I could ever ask for. I've gotten to know some great people. I've had some huge supporters. I want to send a shout out to Todd, who is currently down there on the beaches of Belize, but Todd has been one of my best, most strongest supporters since before the YouTube channel even got posted. He watches probably within the first 10 views every Tuesday, and then comes by the house and he gives me a good, honest critique and kind of gets on my case if I don't include Gunner enough. I'd also want to send out a shout out to my wife, who has to put up with a kitchen full of, production gear, lighting and camera stands, and all of the cooking that I have to do, and sometimes eating the same meal 2-3 times a week because I've been experimenting before actually doing the show. She's a wonderful wife. I love you, honey. Thanks for hanging in there with me. Also want to send a shout out to Paul in Australia, who is a longtime subscriber, leaves a comment on just about every video I do. He's not just a viewer, I would say he's a friend at this point because of the conversations that we've had in the comments section of the videos. Thank you, Paul. And I also have to send one of my biggest thank yous to my son, Andrew. Andrew taught me how to edit a video. I had no idea when I got into this how to post a video, how to set up a YouTube channel, how to edit, how to do a thumbnail. Andrew is out there in LA. He works in the TV film industry. He works with Deity Microphones. And luckily, he has kind of hooked me up with some pretty cool gear here for sound equipment and lighting equipment from Amoron and Aperture lighting. So if you too are a young creator, consider upping your game on the sound equipment. And also a little shout out to the company Deity Microphones, because Andrew and Deity Microphones, they're not just my son and a company that I love their sound equipment for. There are also tag words down below in the description so I can hopefully get a big chunk of their huge audience. So if you want to see who my son is, Andrew from Deity, check out his channel. It's a lot bigger than mine. So once again, thank you for a wonderful year on YouTube. Looking forward to the next year. And what can I say? We're on our way to 1 million subscribers. As I always say, catch you the next time. Bye-bye.